In this video, you will learn how to install and use the Accutron nitrous oxide oxygen sedation system using the Axess low-profile nasal mask and circuit. Step 1. Connect the flow meter to the Axess circuit. Disconnect any previous scavenging circuit from your flow meter. Remove the reservoir bag and cap the open end with the white cap included in your Axess installation kit. If too loose, wrap tape on spout to create a tighter fit. The cap is designed to pop off if the hose becomes kinked or obstructed. If this happens, correct the hose issue and reattach the cap. Install the included 90-degree angled adapter to the flow meter's outspout. This adapter fits all industry standard 22mm flow meter outspouts. Attach the small end of white circuit to the 90-degree adapter. Step 2. Connect the scavenging system. Your Axess installation kit includes a universal vacuum adapter to retrofit non-Accutron vacuum controllers for use with Axess. Be aware that only one vacuum controller may be used at a time. Do not connect multiple controllers to your Axess system. If you're using an Axess brand inline or RFS vacuum controller, no adapter is needed. Just connect the large vacuum connector end of white circuit tubing to vacuum spout. If you're using an external vacuum system, follow these instructions. If you're using an AccuVac, remove the existing outspout and set aside. Plug in the new Axess AccuVac adapter assembly and then attach the Axess circuit onto the end of the assembly and open the valve to max flow. Disregard the status lights as they may not change colors like before. If you're using the Matrix remote, attach the vacuum adapter to the controller. Connect the large end of the white circuit to the adapter. Adjust the meter to within the green zone. If you are using the Porter AVS remote, attach the vacuum adapter to the controller. Connect the large end of the white circuit to the adapter. Set vacuum flow to green zone prior to plugging in the circuit. Plug in the circuit. Note that the ball will rise to top of tube. If you're using an inline vacuum controller, follow these instructions. If using Accutron brand inline vacuum controllers, connect the large end of circuit inline controller on the side nearest the gauge. Connect the spiral tube on the vacuum side of the controller to vacuum source. Adjust the meter to within the green zone. If using Porter brand inline vacuum controllers, install universal adapter. Set vacuum flow to green zone prior to plugging in the circuit. Plug in the circuit. Note that the ball will rise to top of tube. Step 3. Connect the Axess nasal mask. Unwrap the proper mask size for your patient in the scent that your patient prefers. Install the circuit into the mask on either side as shown here. It doesn't matter which side of the mask you install each connector on. Step 4. Administering to patients. Follow this procedure to safely deliver nitrous oxide oxygen sedation to patients. Fit the Axess mask securely over the patient's nose and loop the tubes over the ears as shown. Tighten the bolo slide under the patient's chin to secure the mask. On your flow meter, set the total flow to 5.0 LPM oxygen with the nitrous oxide at 0 LPM or 0%. Gradually increase the nitrous oxide flow percentage until the desired clinical effect is achieved. If more nitrous effect is needed, increase the total flow. Because of the inherent differences between reservoir bag systems and bagless systems like Axess, it may require going to max flow. Rest assured that this is perfectly safe and will not harm patient or staff. At the end of your procedure, turn off the nitrous oxide and continue with 100% oxygen for a minimum of 5 minutes. It's all from Axess. Brought to you by Accutron, a subsidiary of Crosstex, the market leader for decades. To order, call your preferred dealer today.